Applying Basecrete with a roller is fast and simple. That's why pool and concrete pros all over the world have made the switch to our product. In this short video, we will explain exactly how to mix, prep, and apply Basecrete waterproofing membrane to your next pool or concrete project. Basecrete is sold as a kit with one 5-gallon pail of liquid and 3 50-pound bags of compound. With 8 global patents and unparalleled strength and flexibility, Basecrete will adhere to almost any surface. It is resistant to most chemicals and corrosive agents, and it is waterproof. Applying Basecrete with a roller is easy and fast. First, you will need a roller with 3/4-inch nap. Next, you need to know that one kit of Basecrete will waterproof 250 square feet at 1/8-inch thickness. You roll on Basecrete in 2 layers, one vertically and one horizontally. Each layer should be 1/16 thick for a total of 1/8 thickness to achieve a waterproof bond coat. Before applying the second layer, you need to wait 24 hours after applying the first coat. Substrate surface preparation. Begin with an SSD. Saturated surface dry substrate that is clearly damp below the immediate surface, has no standing water, and has a surface that is showing no signs of a film of water on the surface. Ideally, the concrete will be clearly damp, typically much darker than dry concrete, but the surface will have no water present and will be showing signs of drying. It's time to mix. Mix Basecrete on-site using 5-gallon pails and a paddle mixer. Blend your Basecrete according to manufacturer's instructions on our product label. Remember to keep it out of direct sun. Allow the mix to false set approximately 4 minutes and remix. Pot life is approximately 30 minutes depending on the temperature and humidity. Make sure you check the label for mix ratio depending on application method. If you need to adjust the consistency of your mix, only use Basecrete liquid to change consistency. Do not add water to the mix. Also, clean up your tools and spills immediately after application or mixing. For cold joints or cracks, you need to use Basecrete mesh to fill in and bridge cracks, voids, or cold joints. That's it. You're ready to waterproof your next project with Basecrete.